My question is, in 1990, I got a DUI, and back then when I went to court, I pled guilty for it, and it was only supposed to be on record for 5 years, but the way to understand now is if you get another one, they go back to your life history of them.
Okay. So if you receive a DUI, does that follow you from now on?
The way the law works is, as far as sentencing in DUIs after your first DUIs, the judge can consider that if you are found guilty of DUI in your sentence. However, as far as under the DUI statute, it would only go back 5 years to cover DUIs involved. It would only cover DUIs that you've had in the last 5 years. As far as if you were to get another one. But if you're found guilty after a trial and the decision is left to the judge, then yes, he can consider other DUIs and other circumstances around the accident in imposing a sentence.
So it can still haunt you a little bit even though it's not on your record?
Yes, sir.